Today we're making 3 irresistible mango recipes you'll want to try right away. Let's get started. First up, instant raw mango chunda. A perfect balance of sweet, spicy and tangy that pairs beautifully with parathas. So start by mixing 3 cups of grated raw mango with 2 teaspoons of pink salt. Give it a good mix and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now transfer the mango along with its water into a karhai. Add 2.5 cups of sugar and cook it on a low flame. After about 7 to 8 minutes, add a pinch of turmeric powder and a few strands of saffron. Let it cook for another 7 to 8 minutes until the sugar melts and the mixture turns into a glossy jam-like consistency. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, add 3 cloves and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Mix well. Now store it in a glass jar. This delicious chunda stays fresh in the fridge for up to 20 days. Now let's make a festive favorite, mango barfi. Start by roasting dry fruits in 1 teaspoon of ghee until lightly golden. Let them cool and grind into a coarse powder. In a pan, cook fresh mango pulp for a few seconds and then add sugar. Now let it cook for about 10 minutes until it thickens. Once thick, add the roasted dry fruits and the remaining ingredients. Cook until the mixture forms a soft dough and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Finish with a hint of elaichi powder and switch off the flame. Now grease a tray with ghee and line it with butter paper or foil. Transfer the mixture, press it evenly and garnish with chopped pistachios. Let it set for 30 minutes to an hour and your rich melt-in-the-mouth mango barfi is ready. And finally, mango marmalade, a simple yet flavorful spread. In a pan, add water and sugar and keep stirring until the sugar melts completely. Now add the mango pieces and mix well. Add the rind of 2 lemons and cook everything on a low flame for about 20 minutes. As the mixture thickens into a beautiful marmalade consistency, switch off the flame and let it cool. Now store it in a cool, dry place and enjoy it however you like. Spread it on toast or scoop it up with a warm paratha. It's absolutely delicious. So which mango recipe are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie.